Idea, what do you think about your campus? I've been thinking lately, especially about how our campus affects my daily routine.
Well, I think our campus is pretty good overall. It's comfortable and the environment is also good for studying. The library is nice and there are a lot of quiet place for us to focus. What do you think?
Really? I don't know. I think there are a few things that need to be improved. I'm not saying our campus is bad, but there are five things that really bother me. I mean, remember yesterday when we were in class, there was a leak from the roof, and the water spit everywhere and made the floor wet and dirty. That was unacceptable, right?
Oh yeah. Now that you mention it, I remember. But honestly, I don't think it was a big deal. I mean, the lesson went on and we weren't really bothered by the leak. Plus, the teacher continues the lecture, and most of us just moved to different seats, right?
Right. But it's still really inconvenient. Your seat in with my shoes were wet, and the whole classroom smells them afterward. It's really hard to focus on the lesson when the floor is wet and slippery. But if some lips and gets hurt, we should be in a safe and comfortable environment to learn, not one where we're worried about accident.
Haha, you're right. I did have to move seats because of the weather. I forgot about that, but I guess I just thought it was a big deal since we could just keep going with class, and the building didn't collapse or anything dramatic like that. But I get your point. It's not ideal to study in a place like that, and it can be unsafe.
Actually, it's not just about the intervention at the time, but more about the long-term effects if the leaks keep happening in various places on campus. More serious damage called out to the building itself. Plus, if the water is constantly exposed, there's risks of mold or other problems. The cold after all health. Image if leaks happen in places where we take exams or work on group projects, students could lose their jobs and it could seriously affect our academic performance. We don't want to study in place that could compression your well-being, do we?
Yes, I agree. That should happen, especially in classroom and areas where students spend most of their time. You will think that maintenance will check these things more regularly, right? Small leaks can turn into much bigger problem if left unchecked for too long. I think universities should prioritize proper maintenance of all buildings.
Yes, I feel like some arts on campus are more excellent than others. I mean, the engineering building is not notorious for this. There's also water damage in some of the classroom there, and Elvid health complaints from some architecture student about it. Why are the building always the same? Should they be checked and repaired regularly?
I agree, especially with the engineering faculty. You will think that the building will be better maintained. It's a shame that this issue kept cropping up. Many students rely on this space to study and work on their project. And the last thing we want is for something like a leaky roof to ruin a student work or even create a safety hazard. Maybe we should actually do something about it.
Of course. I think it's time for you to speak up. If we don't say anything, I just going to keep happening. But the thing is, I'm not sure where to start. Who shall we go to? Shall we report it directly to the administration, or is there a specific official that handles building maintenance?
Well, I think the best place to start is the student union. They're the prison, the entire student body, so if not of us voice or concern, they might be able to communicate them to administration more effectively. If we come to them with a clean plan, like asking for regular building inspection or better reporting procedures, they might push for change more quickly. I mean, they should be looking out for the safety and well-being of students too.
That's a great idea. We could even the support from other students. Maybe we could start a petition. We can talk to students from other faculty to find out if they have similar problems with leaking roof.